All right, today is Wednesday, March 25th, and another green day. Just two trades today, and a lot of hesitating. That's okay though. So first trade, actually the first trade this morning I missed. Why aren't my trades showing up here? What's going on here? See? Huh, that's weird. So I had a trade on ASTC. I guess I'll just go through it here. Actually, so okay, what I was going to say, first trade that I missed was on CTSO. That was right here out of the gate somewhere. It was one of these dips, and I wasn't in the right account. This computer is humming right now. Okay. So I have to be more mindful of being in the right account, which seems obvious, but for some reason that's been tripping me up lately. It starts me off in the margin account, which doesn't have any money in it. So I go to put the order in, and it says nope. So anyway, I missed that one, and then at 6:36, which is right here on this dip. So this was a nice little dip here, 2 minutes after the bell. Once we broke that, I got long here with 2 shares, limit order at 345. It did dip down to the 330s, so it kind of tapped this level. I got long. It dropped a little bit more. I was just about ready to add, and then it popped back up, and I ended up getting filled on this candle at 59, so 359. So nice little 14-cent winner times 2 shares, so 28 cents. So that's pretty nice. Oh, that's actually incorrect. So forgot about this. What I did was buy 2 shares, and then I sold one. That was like, oh, that was a canceled order. Okay. So here's what happened. Bought 2 shares on this candle. Tried to get filled at both shares at 359. Ended up canceling that, and then ended up actually getting filled at 354 here with a limit order, and then also at 364 and a half on this candle. Obviously, yep, could have held all fucking day, and eventually this thing hit 7, but I'm not going to do that hindsight stuff. And then there was a trade on NVAX. Oh, why my trades aren't showing up? That's fucking annoying. So at 6:49, zoom in here. Okay, so this little dip right here must have been. I got filled at 1188.5, which is pretty close to the bottom there. That's a nice little fill. And then it popped really quickly and literally sold 12 seconds later at 11.99. So just a little. That was only 1 share. Just a good little 10-cent winner there, 11 cents. So anyway, up 39 cents on the day. Again, not a fantastic day. I did see a lot of other things to play. Watching this ASTC was really interesting. So later here, a lot of these little pullbacks, I was thinking, oh, I should buy it here. I should buy it here up against $4, and then it would pop up, and I'd be like, yeah, I should have bought it there. I should buy it here for $4. It would pop up to 420. Yeah, I should have bought it there. But I saw this consolidation happening here. And so I'm watching both these, and right at the same time at 7:05, they both get this little pop of buying. Like their candles went from the very bottom to the very top. Just it popped. Both happened at the same time, and I'm like, okay, that's weird. They're both biotech stocks though, so I can see, maybe somebody out there who has a lot of money is testing something. So this one popped, and the very next candle, it starts to gain momentum, and it breaks right through $4. And I'm like, okay, this thing's about to take off. NVAX did the same thing, only it hit did the same thing, only on this candle here. Right, this was the buy candle that popped, and then on this candle here, it hit $12, and you can't see it here, but it stalled there for a while. In fact, most of the candle, I think. And so this one broke $4 easily, and then that's just when that on 7:07 it just took off. It got halted. I did call this washout properly. Actually, it kind of opened with this wick already there. I'm not sure what happened there, if it was just a lag of Thinkorswim, but up in this candle, it's hard to see, but it had been at 5 and then went up and then washed out toward 5 again, and I called it. I was like, oh, that's a buy off of 5, and then of course this happens and it takes off and ends up running up to 676. So would have been a nice trade to be in, even with small size, but with these later trades in the day, especially with washout stuff, I don't want to take a trade with one share and wipe out my other 2 trades. It'd be different if I was trading with 10 shares after the open, and I could just size down to 2 shares or something for one of these halt resumes and play it a little small. But same thing happened with this one. I called this dip down here to whatever this was, the 624 area, and then the bounce back. And then there were quite a few other ones that I was calling through here that I was like, oh, this is going to dip down to here again. You should take that. I just didn't have the confidence to take any of them, honestly, which is okay for now. I think once I have larger size and I can size down and take these little scalps, that'll be really helpful. But all right, I'm done talking right now. My voice is not feeling great. And anyway, happy to have another green day. Oh, one thing I should check here. Let's pull up. Actually, I was going to look at TraderView, but that's not really important on the video. I'll look at it afterwards. All right, I'll miss tomorrow because of the dog shelter, and then back at it Friday.